Hello everyone, please subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon so you can get latest video notifications. Thank you.